This project's been a long time in the making. In fact, it's taken about 4 years. Lots of complications associated with the grid, archaeology, just about everything you can imagine has been thrown at us and the Mira and the Zestec teams. But we have pulled together and we've overcome it. And it's great to see it coming together. Really, really pleased with progress. Very proud of the work that we're doing at the moment. And we're on track and on budget to deliver a great project.
Automotive proving ground, so it's about testing and proving out the design of vehicles and understanding their performance. So yeah, it can be confused with a racetrack, but it's a proving ground. Yeah, and this is a site that's developed originally from an airfield, developed over time with its various tracks that's been added, and now we're obviously adding the solar farm into the middle of it.
And secondly, archaeology. Archaeology turned out to be a real challenge for us because they found some medieval roundhouses, I believe, in the middle of the proving ground. Currently, the technology park is home to approximately 40 companies, predominantly focused in and around automotive and mobility. Companies choose to base themselves here because they can conduct their R&D activities in a location where they can access all of our facilities. We've got a sizable proving ground. We've got about 30 test laboratories and labs. And actually, by being based in the centre of the Midlands, it's an excellent place from a recruitment perspective because it's really the home to the UK automotive industry.
This is Zestec's largest project to date. This is a 7 megawatt ground mount project based in Nuneaton. We've developed this alongside Avonside, and in terms of the size, complexity, so the system's set to generate somewhere around 7 million kilowatt hours per year. We're looking at about 9% of their current consumption, but they're set to consume pretty much all the power that we produce here. We've had to take a lot of time and care, kind of coordinating a lot with Mira and obviously Avonside to make sure that we've got every health and safety prevention we can have. So we actually asked them to remodel a section of the racetrack to make sure that it's all edged into a closed network so that there's no, there's no risk to anyone or to the asset itself once it's built.
Avonside are our chosen contractor for this project, and they've actually been with the project for a long time and done a fantastic job through the design and then clearly through the construction phase as well, and they've been really impressive to see on site. Lots of good feedback across the team. We're really pleased with their efforts so far.
I found that a great way to sort of perhaps break down some of the barriers is to take yourself from behind a desk and actually do something for the guys, because you get it back in spades as well. I think the most exciting part was getting the final go-ahead, because there were so many times when we thought that this wasn't going to go ahead, and the team have put a huge amount of energy into it, and to have actually everything developed in-house, so our design, our project management, and ultimately the installation is done all with our own people, which brings quite a few benefits as far as I'm concerned. The labour that we've got in the business at the moment is incredibly experienced. The team that head up our installation operation have more than 20 years of experience. There's nothing they haven't seen. They've done floating solar arrays, they've done arrays on reclaimed land, some very large multi-megawatt roof-mounted systems, as well as ground-mounted like Mira as well. Well, Mira are synonymous with quality and safety, and so the standards that they, I suppose, indirectly put on us are quite high. It really started with them wanting to have a green approach to generating energy, particularly for their hydrogen vehicle development here. And so having on-site electrical generation through solar PV was a logical step forward.